Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we make tech simple and fun. Today, we're tackling something super cool. How to create and add a custom ringtone to your iPhone in 2025. Whether you want a snippet from your favorite song or a unique alert for calls, this step-by-step guide will have you set up in no time. Why bother? Well, a custom ringtone adds a personal touch, making your phone feel truly yours and helping you stand out in a sea of default sounds. First things first, you'll need an audio file. This could be a song from your library or a sound clip you recorded. Make sure it's in a compatible format like MP3 or M4A. Once you have that, open the GarageBand app on your iPhone. It's free and pre-installed on most devices. If you don't have it, download it from the App Store. In GarageBand, start a new project and import your audio file. Use the editing tools to trim it down to your desired length. Remember, ringtones are usually 30 seconds or less for the best results. Next, export your creation as a ringtone. Go to the Share option in GarageBand and select Ringtone to save it directly to your iPhone. If you're using a computer, you can use iTunes or Finder on a Mac to manage this. Connect your iPhone via USB, open iTunes, and drag the audio file into your library. Then, right-click it, select Get Info, and set the media kind to Ringtone. Sync your device, and it'll appear in your iPhone's settings. Now, head to the Settings app on your iPhone, tap Sounds and Haptics, and then Ringtone. Your new custom ringtone should be listed there. Select it, and you're good to go. If you want to assign it to specific contacts, go to the Contacts app and edit the entry. There you have it. That's how you make and add a custom ringtone in 2025. It's easier than ever with the latest iOS updates, and it only takes a few minutes. If you run into any issues, double-check your file formats or restart your device. Give this a try and let me know in the comments how it turned out. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.